Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to be learning how you can create an Amazon affiliate account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to be heading over to Amazon Associates, and this is where you need to sign in and create your associate account. So first of all, you're going to be clicking on this sign in option, as you can see in here. Simply click on that, and once you do, just wait for a couple of seconds, and here you're going to be simply entering your mobile number and email address, and after that your password if you have an account, or if you do not have an account, you can simply click on this create an Amazon account option. And once you create your account, you can see you'll have to enter some basic details. And let's say once you have your account, and here you're going to be simply selecting a product that you want to promote. So let's say I want to promote something gaming related, and I select this particular headset, and you're simply going to be copying its link and simply sharing, and that's how anyone who purchases using that particular link will get you 10% cut. So that's how you create an affiliate marketing or affiliate account with Amazon.com. So I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. Thank you for watching.